Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore some interesting and surprising facts about Python, one of the most widely used programming languages today. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, there's always something new to learn about Python. So let's get started. Fact number 1. Python isn't named after the snake. It actually gets its name from Monty's Python Flying Circus, a British comedy group known for their humor. Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python, was a big fan of the show, and he chose the name because he wanted something short, unique, and a bit of fun. Nothing to do with reptiles at all. Python roots are actually in comedy, not the snakes.
Oh my god, bro.
Fact number 2. The creator of Python, Guido, wanted a language that was simple and easy to use. He designed it so that the code would be clean and readable, almost like plain English. That's why Python is often called one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages.
Guido, it's time.
Hey, Tiny, you gonna clean his windshield?
Fact number 3. Python is older than you might realize. It was first released in 1991, so it's been around for over 30 years. But despite its age, Python is still one of the most modern and in-demand programming languages today. Fact number 4. Python is flexible. It's used in everything from web development and data science to AI, and even video game creation. Whether you're building websites or diving into machine learning, Python's got you covered. Fact number 5. Python has one of the largest, most active communities in the programming world. With tons of libraries, forums and tutorials, there's always help available. If you ever get stuck, you're never really alone. Fact number 6. Python is known for being readable. The way Python uses indentation instead of curly braces makes the code look clean and easy to follow. It's all about making programming more accessible even for beginners. Fact number 7. Python is used by some of the biggest names in tech. Companies like Google, Netflix and Instagram all use Python for various parts of their platforms. So Python isn't just for small projects. Powers some of the world's largest services. Fact number 8. Python is open source, which means anyone can use it for free and even contribute to its development. If you're passionate about coding, you can help improve Python and make it better for everyone. Fact number 9. Python is a go-to language in education. It's widely used in universities and coding bootcamps because of its simplicity and flexibility. If you're just starting out with programming, there's a good chance you'll begin with Python. Fact number 10. Python is amazing for automating tasks. Whether it's sending emails, scrapping websites, or handling repetitive tasks, Python makes it easy to write scripts that save time. It's one of the reasons why so many developers rely on it. So there you have it, 10 cool facts about Python. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, there's always something new to learn. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your favorite Python fact is. Also, if you know any other cool fact about Python I didn't mention in the video, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
In your voice.